everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a pretty 1973 Dodge Challenger. This is a rally package car, guys. Clean North Carolina car. You can see it's finished in Sublime green. It's got the white vinyl interior, matching numbers, 340 car. 727 Torqueflite automatic, little mild cam in it. Pretty car. It's an older restoration. There's some things you can nitpick on the car, but if you're looking for a nice Mopar driver quality car, that's what the car is. 15-inch rallies all the way around with the BF Goodrich Radial TAs. 8 3/4 with a 355 sure grip. Car's got a real good look to it. Runs and drives excellent. Actually, I forgot to look up the production numbers on this car, but it is a true rally disc brake car and a good looking Mopar. Again, you can, as you go around the car, I'll try to show you the things that I've noticed that you can kind of nitpick on it. And I don't want to just pick the car apart, but again, probably 70% of the cars that we sell sight unseen, man, and I don't want you to get something and be surprised by something. So I try to, show you the car for actually what it is. It's got the blacked out hood stripe. Again, matching numbers, 340 car. Touch-up mark there. Yeah, and you can see just a little cracking in the paint on the tail panel there. Good straight car down the sides. Again, the 15-inch Mopar rallies on it with the BFGs. It's got the stock rear valance. The chrome tips actually came on the rally cars. Again, it does have the front disc brakes. Little cam to it, so the car's got a good sound to it. Again, matching numbers, 340. It's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake in it. Little comp cam in it that sounds good. Stock exhaust manifolds, electronic ignition. Power steering, power disc brakes. Here's your fender tag. Car was original B5 blue car that they changed to the Sublime. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Original door tag. It's got the white vinyl interior. You can see a little crack in there on the armrest. Bucket seats, console. I love the color combo. Factory dash showing 38,000. It's not the original miles. I'm sure it's 138. In the glove box, it's got all the original owner's manuals on it, or for it. Some original pieces of documentation when the car was new. So they blacked out the trunk, so originally they were body color. Dual exhaust. It's got 8 3/4 355 sure grip rear end. Radio delete. Got Jay fired up here. Got a little cam to it. Still runs on pump gas. We got to check on the fuel gauge. Temperature, or the, what's that voltage gauge is working in there, Jason? Again, radio delete car. Blower motor does work, Jay said. I don't know if the wipers weren't working though, were they, Jay? No. Yeah, wipers aren't working. We will check on that, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.